In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate variables across files in Figma. By the end, you'll know a clean, reliable way to move your variables from one file to another, using Figma's quick actions and a community plugin without manually rebuilding anything. Start in the source file, the design where your variables already live. With the file open, press Ctrl+K to open the quick action search. Type toggle variables and run that command. This brings up the variables view so you can confirm everything is in place. You should see your collections, modes, and individual variables listed. Take a quick moment to glance through them so you know exactly what you are about to export, especially if you rely on aliases or multiple modes. Next, open Quick Actions again and go to the Plugins section. Search for Variables, Pro. Then run it. This community plugin is especially helpful when you need more control, like exporting a large number of variables as a JSON file or keeping aliases intact across files. It streamlines the process and reduces the chance of missing something. Inside Variables Pro, navigate to the Export tab. You'll see details for your variable collections. Select the collection or collections you want to move. Then click Export. The plugin will generate a JSON file that contains your variable's structure and values. Save that file somewhere easy to find and consider naming it clearly so you know which file and collection it came from. This JSON is what you'll use to rebuild the variables in your destination file. Now switch to the destination file, the file where you want these variables to live. Open the Variables Pro plugin again. Use its import feature and select the JSON you just exported. The plugin will recreate the variables locally in this file, mirroring your collections and modes. Give it a moment to finish. Then open the Variables view to confirm everything looks right. You should see your variables available for use, ready to be applied to styles, components, and tokens in this file. If you work with aliases, scan a few of them to make sure the relationships carried over as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.